Hello everyone. I am Professor Priyanka Wankhede from Department of Civil Engineering, Dr. Rajendra Gode Institute of Technology and Research, Amravati. My presentation topic is experimental investigation on performance of spin fin pile under lateral load. Introduction. Many transmission towers, high rise building, offshore structure, retaining walls, and the bridges may be subjected to various large loads. Spin fin pile is a new modification strategy which increases the pile capacity by providing an affirmative anchorage close to the pile tip. Spin fin pile is a modification of pipe pile introduced by the P&D engineers in 1983. Here we can see the typical view of spin fin pile. Spin fin pile has a 4 plates welded to the top or to the bottom of the traditional monopile at 90 degrees to each other. Here is the comparison between the structure with the spin fin pile and without spin fin pile. Here we can observe that the number of piles is reduced by provision of the spin fin pile. Then the advantages. Length required in a spin fin pile is 50% less. The spin fin pile exhibits a significant reserve strength with cyclic loading. Then the reduction in the number of piles and the length of piles creates a significant cost saving alternative. Methodology. Keeping in view the objective of the work, following system is developed. Image shows the sand used in the work having a cohesionless, dry, clean, washed Canaan sand passing through ISU of 2 mm. Then these are the properties of the sand used for the experimental investigation. Then the model pile made up of a mild steel having a diameter 20 mm and length 300 mm. Then these are the cross section, that is elevation plan of single pile, and third is the plan of model pile cap. This is the experimental setup for the lateral load having a pulley arrangement for applying the load. Then this is the schematic diagram. Then next is the experimental test procedure. First is the preparation of the sandbed. In the experimental investigation, the relative density of the sandbed is maintained by using the sand draining technique, and the sandbed is leveled and checked by the spirit level. Then the placing of the piles in a sandbed. Undisturbed pile installation method is used by using a special guide ring, that is the steel ring. Then the model lateral pile load test is conducted as per the IS 2911 Part 4 1985 to evaluate the ultimate lateral load capacity. Then next step is placement of the foundation, then application of load in increment which is kept constant for half hour, and the last one is measurement of the lateral displacement by using dial gauges. This is the actual setup, photograph of the actual setup. Then the test program. These are the constant parameter which is used in the experimental investigation, and these are the varying parameters in which type of loading is lateral loading, position of the fin is at the top, and the number of pile is single and group of 3. Then the experimental work was carried out on a single spin fin pile and conventional circular single pile, and next is group of 3 spin fin and conventional pile. Then the ultimate load capacity of the pile is determined as per IS 2911 Part 4 1985. The criteria which is used in the work is the load corresponding to the present penetration equals to 10% of the diameter of the pile base. Then this is the performance of the single conventional and spin fin pile subjected to lateral load. The graph shows the variation of the lateral load to the lateral displacement. Then these are the results. Ultimate lateral load capacity for conventional pile is 40 Newton, or for spin fin pile is 50 Newton. Then this is the variation again between the lateral load and lateral displacement for the performance of group of 3 conventional and spin fin pile. Then these are the results which are derived from the test, pile load test, that is 175 Newton for the conventional group of 3 piles and 225 slightly greater than that of the conventional pile for the spin fin pile. Then these are the conclusions drawn from the work. First one is lateral load capacity of single spin fin pile is higher than that of the conventional pile, which is up to 25%, and next one is the lateral load capacity of group of 3 spin fin pile, which is slightly greater than that of the conventional pile, that is up to 28%. Thank you.